dominate the market, Vardaan Natures is on a mission to bring back the original. We understand the frustration of using products that promise the world, but deliver nothing but disappointment. That's why we've pledged to create products that are truly natural, effective, and safe. Our commitment to authenticity. At Vardaan Natures, we believe that beauty and health are two sides of the same coin. Long-lasting outer beauty is impossible without optimal health. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to developing natural solutions that nourish both body and mind. Our products are crafted with ancient herbs, carefully selected for their potency and efficacy. We've eliminated harmful chemicals, added sugars, preservatives, and artificial flavors, ensuring that every product is reliable, stress-free, and lovable. The science behind our products. Our products aren't just inspired by nature. They're also backed by science. We've spent 5 years testing and refining our formulations with different groups of people, and the results have been consistently positive. We're confident that our products will deliver tangible benefits that you'll love. A return to nature's wisdom. In ancient times, people used natural ingredients, herbs, and physical activity to maintain their health and beauty. They enjoyed a more vibrant and youthful appearance, with fewer skin, hair, and aging issues. We've drawn inspiration from this ancient wisdom and combined it with modern science to create products that are both effective